Up next, we have a 2018 Chieftain Limited in color white smoke. Ample storage in the saddlebags. All the technology you could need. AM, FM, weather band radio, the ability to play music off of an alternative source such as an iPod or a stick. 111 cubic inch V-twin engine and a 6-speed transmission. None of those are really the best part though. The best part is how you look and feel going down the road on a motorcycle that looks like this. The 2018 Chieftain Limited, available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.